Hey folks, welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. We are from BMN Infotech Private Limited, a leading IT company in India. In this video, we will talk about routing through buttons and anchor tags. So we create web.php file to handle guys routing. In web.php we can keep name root or we can keep string root. Like we create URL by slashing that URL name, or there is another way name root. We will also understand both of those methods, and by implementing both root and URL method we will do routing on click of button and anchor tag. So let's see what kind of concept we have to implement. Here you can see that I have made a menu bar here and FRMO here. I will show you the structure. So here we go to the folder for resources. Resources, then view. I have some pages being created inside the view. Now we will work only on some pages and want to redirect the user to these pages. So to redirect, we want to take the help of the indexed page on which this rotation is to be made. How are we currently working? So we had to go to the customer page. So we used to put the URL here, customer, create. If you have seen the previous videos, then we were getting redirected from this, but now we want that this should not happen. Since the user is not technical enough to enter the URL, the user can click here and go. So what you have to do this thing is open the web.php file here, and a user wants to register in web.php. So what is the route to register? Register and is called on forms, blade.php. Whatever function is going on is being handled by the controller here. Now how do we handle this route? First of all, we will go to the file of index, blade.php, where this page of ours is opening. On this page we have three routes: home, register and customer. So here we will echo blade syntax and write URL. URL is an inbuilt method of Laravel and it gives you base URL, which is base file of your project. I will show you here in env file, which is base URL. Look at your project. This is the base URL of your project. So the function of Laravel gives you the path till here. Now you have to go to the home page first, so we will keep only slashes here. And we will now write the URL here to mention the path of the register, and this time we have to go to the register by putting a slash on the URL. So here we have to write register. So see, there are anchor tags and buttons. Whenever they hit the URL, they do so only through the get method. So now you don't have to be confused that register is written on both here and here, so which one will be registered with the anchor tag? So get method is always hit by anchor tag, because anchor tag and buttons always hit get method, and we can hit post method only through form. So now our customer comes last, so we mention him here too. So now here I have put all the three routes on the buttons of the gate method. So there are two routes named customer. Then post route is working to store and get route is working to display the data. Customer create is working to display the view of create. We have seen all these things in previous videos. I am on this page. If I click on register, then I have come to the register page from where I can register the user, and I click on the customer. I have come to the customer page, then my header is ready. So I hope guys, you must have understood all these concepts very well. If you are new to the channel, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell in the comment box if you face any kind of problem. See you guys, stay connected with us in the next video. And do what you love.